Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like several weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past several days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. As a friendly reminder, cryptos, remember, are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video, on Sunday night, yeah, the chart is going to look different for you. But my goal here from a presentation standpoint is to talk about more so general levels and then walk you through some, overall questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. Now, if you watch my video from Thursday, then hopefully you remember me talking about 3,600 being an important area of support. And the price has since dropped below there, which brings about our first update. And that update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And you could throw this right into a textbook in terms of, theory to reality. Again, it was broken right there. As the rule states, you would expect it to act as resistance, and surprise, surprise, the power of charts. So, our chart's perfect? No. But our chart's totally worthless like some people try to lead you to believe? Absolutely not. They definitely belong as a tool in your tool belt. And once again, that's just a prime time example of that. I realize if you didn't watch yesterday's video, you can always go back and watch that video. But if you did, I put that line right there and haven't touched it. And it's pretty cool to see that stuff play out like that. But that does also lead into the first question to ask yourself. So let's just say you're watching this Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening. Question number one revolves all around 3,600. And that question is just simply, where's the price at relative to this area? If the price is still down below it, well, that means that the bulls really haven't made any signs of progress. Right now, to be fair, this was a very nice 4-hour session. Good solid green candle, nice volume. Is there anything more behind it? Well, again, that's where this level will come into play at 3,600. If there is some more behind it, then not only should the price at least go sideways, but potentially the price should be able to get up above that 3,600 mark and then stay up above it. So like I said, if you're answering that question on Sunday night that the price is up above 3,600, well then hey, the bulls are definitely making a good solid effort to try to get back on track. Now, if you're answering the question that the price is still down below that level, that doesn't necessarily mean the bears have really made any more progress, but definitely the next key level to watch and ask yourself about. So this is kind of the second question, assuming you're answering that the price is down below 3,600, is where is the price at relative to 3,300? 33 is important. Nothing fancy behind it other than the fact that this is where the bleeding finally stopped. So, that'll be the big question of, can the price stay above this level going into the weekend? If you're answering the question that the price is actually down below 3,300, then it just becomes kind of a matter of gut instincts. If the price is right there, okay, that's not good, but it's not like it's totally drastic. But if you're watching this and the price is down at 3,000, well, that would tell you that not only was this a little false move right here during this green candle, but now the bears are just picking up that much more momentum. But as things stand right now, things are definitely looking pretty shaky as the price is broken down below 3,600. But we'll see if the bulls can try to recover back up above it over the weekend or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.